Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix live text not working in iPhone problem. So the first fix is check camera app settings. For this, go to settings, drag down and tap on camera. Ensure detected text and scan QR code option are turned on. Scan QR code is turned on and show detected text is also turned on. These both. Now the second fix is try live text in Photos app. Take a picture of text you want to extract. For example, take this picture. Now open Photos app. Tap on the live text option. Tap on live text option. Now from here, select and copy the desired text. For example, you want to copy HDMI. Select and copy it from live text. And that's it. The third option is to enable live text in general settings. For this, go to settings, tap on general, select language and region. Now ensure live text is turned on. From the here, ensure live text is turned on. That's it. These are the fixes which you can do to enable live text. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.